today we will start the division word problems. Okay, what are division word problems? So first of all, we have to know what is division. So this is the sign of division, right? This is the sign of division. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
in division,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
we have a bigger number and a smaller number, and we have to find the smaller number, so it will be division. So what we will do in division, we just divide the group. Okay, divide the numbers in groups. All right. So 15 divided by 3 will be 5. 3 का टेबल हमने 15 तक पढ़ना है. ठीक है, हमने 3 का टेबल कहाँ तक काउंट करना है? Till 15. Okay. So 3 5s are 15. So the answer will be 5. Right? Okay. You know how to do
Yes,
the
ma'am.
divide? You know how to do the division or not? All of you know or don't know?
Yes, ma'am.
You know? Or I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm just doing one question here. Okay, this is 6 and this is 20. Can you see it? 6 and
Yes,
20.
ma'am.
So if I have to divide it, what I will do? I will just read the table of 6 till 20 or less than 20. Means हम क्या करते हैं कि हम चेक करते हैं कि 6 का टेबल जो बाहर है, जो डिविडेंड है, उसमें क्या आता है? 6 के टेबल में 20 आता है बिग नंबर या नहीं आता है? अगर आता है तो वेल एंड गुड. अगर नहीं आता है तो 20 से छोटा नंबर कौन सा आता है उस टेबल में, हम उस टेबल तक काउंट करते हैं. ठीक है. So 6 ones are 6. It is very small. 6 तो बहुत छोटा है इससे, है ना? 20 से. 6 twos are 12. 12 भी बहुत छोटा है. 6 threes are 18. Then 6 fours are 24. So 24 is bigger than 20. और 20 इसके टेबल में नहीं आता है. So we will take smaller number. 18. Okay. 6 threes are 18 we will write. And then we will just subtract these numbers. 10 minus 8 is 2 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is the quotient 3. 3 will be, quotient will be 3. And the remainder will be, what will be the remainder, Akshat, Ashmit?
Ma'am, 2.
Yes, remainder is 2. Very good. So now I just have some word problems for you. Wait, I'm just sharing the screen. Can you see this? आपको ये दिख रहा है? Yes or no?
Yes.
This
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
to you? Okay. This is Paula bought 25 tomato seedlings. She planted them in 5 equal rows in her garden. How many tomatoes plants are in each row? इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? We have to divide. What is this? Paula bought 25 tomato seedling. Paula ने क्या किया? Bought means खरीदे. She bought 25 tomato seedling. उसने 25 tomato के seedling means seeds खरीदे. ठीक है? She planted them in 5 equal rows in her garden. उसने क्या किया? उसका एक garden था Paula का. She planted 5 equal rows. ठीक है? In her garden. उसने उनको 5 equal rows बनाई और उनमें उनको put कर दिया, उनको plant कर दिया. How many tomatoes plants are in each row? What we will do? We just have to divide here. Okay. So how we will do? Wait. Look. We will do it like the bigger number is 25. 25 and smaller number is 5. So we have to divide it. 25 divided by 5. Like this. You know we will do the division like this. Now we will read the table of 5 till 25 or less than 25. Okay. So it is 5 ones are 5. Then 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 25 is here. 5 5s are 25. So 5 times is 25. We will subtract it and it will be 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. So this will be the quotient again. Quotient. Beta, Aradhya and Samrit, turn off the mic. Samrit, Aradhya. Okay. Quotient is 5 and remainder will be Samrit Singh. What will be the remainder? Remainder is?
Ma'am, 0.
Yes, remainder is 0. So here we will write here 25, here 5 and here 5. Okay. In the answer we will never write here. We will never write the remainder. Here we will write the quotient part always. ठीक है? जब ऐसे हमारे पास डिवाइड का सम आता है और हमको ऐसे आंसर लिखना होता है, we will just write the quotient part here. ठीक है? हम लोग रिमाइंडर नहीं एक्सप्रेस करते हैं यहाँ पर कभी. हम कभी भी यहाँ पर रिमाइंडर पार्ट नहीं लिखते हैं. ठीक है? So second question, third question and fourth question is for you. Okay? Second is for Samrit, third is for Aradhya and fourth is for Ashmit. Okay? I am just explaining it. ठीक है? मैं आपको explain कर रही हूँ and then you will do it. First, second one is Jason's mom baked 26 cookies. She gave each of Jason's classmates 2 cookies. How many students got cookies? ठीक है? Jason है. Jason is a boy. ठीक है? एक बच्चे का नाम है. उसकी मदर ने 26 कुकीज बेक करी. घर में उसकी मदर ने 26 कुकीज बनाई. ठीक है? She gave each of Jason's classmate 2 cookies. उसकी मदर ने क्या किया? जेसन के स्कूल में क्लासमेट है. ठीक है? उसकी जो क्लास में उसके साथ पढ़ते हैं बच्चे, there are classmates of him. Okay, she is a girl. Jason is a girl. Okay? Jason is a boy. I think she is her mother. Okay? So she gave each of Jason's classmate 2 cookies. उसने क्या किया कि 2 cookies per student को दी. How many students got the cookies? So we have a bigger number and smaller number here and we have to divide it. Okay, Samrit, this is for you. Okay, now this one is for Aradhya. Mark has 20 toy cars. He divided his cars into 10 boxes. How many cars are in each box? ठीक है? मार्क के पास क्या है? 30 टॉय कार है. He divided his car into 10 boxes. उसने अपनी कार्स को क्या किया? 10 boxes में डिवाइड कर दिया. So how many cars are in each box? One box में उसने कितनी cars put करी? You have to find 30 and 10. You have to divide 30 by 10. Okay? And this one is for Ashmit. Mavis owns Skyla rupees dollar. It is $18. If Mavis pays Skyla $3 a day, how many days will it take Mavis to pay Kyla? ठीक है? इसमें क्या करना है कि माविस ने कायला से $18 लिए. डॉलर या फिर हम लोग क्या लेते हैं? हम लोग रुपीज लिखते हैं, है ना? एंड इन यूएस इट इज डॉलर. ठीक है? यूएस की क्या होती है करेंसी? डॉलर होती है. ठीक है? तो उसने क्या किया? $18 उससे ले लिए. ठीक है? बोरो करे. माविस पेज कायला $3 a day. उसने क्या किया? कायला को हर डे पर डे $3 दिए. सो हाउ मेनी डेज इट विल टेक माविस टू पे कायला? उसे पूरे पैसे देने में कितने डेज लगेंगे? सो यू हैव टू डिवाइड 18 by 3 here. Okay? Just divide it. Do it.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay. First of all, Ashmit, tell me what is the answer?
Ma'am, 6.
Yes, very good. 36 divided by 6 is 6. Very good. Okay. Now it's the turn of Aradhya. You have done it, beta, or not?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Samrit.
Ma'am, 10.
10. Yes, very good. 50 divided by 5 is 10. Very good. Okay. Radhya, do it fast, beta.
Ma'am, the answer is 10.
Yes, very good. The answer is 10. Okay. Now I have a video for you. You want to see the video or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Wait, huh? Wait.
So when I came to US, I was very new to English as well as American English. I used to write words like
Hello, boys and girls. Today we'll be talking about division word problems. To divide, we will go ahead and use our GET strategy. G stands for number of groups, E, number of objects in each group, T, total number of objects. Let's go ahead and try some examples. Example number 1. Mrs. Munir has 45 goldfish in 9 bowls. How many fish were in each bowl? So in this case, you have the total number of fish. Our groups is the 9 bowls. And we are looking for each, the number of fish in each bowl. Let's go ahead and make our problem-solving model. For the answer stem, you will write, there are blank fish in each bowl. Let's go ahead and look at our important information. So we have the 45 goldfish. That's the total. We have the 9 bowls. The bowls in this case is our groups. We are looking for the number of goldfish. So we are going to divide. So if you look carefully at the picture model, we have our T filled in. We have our G filled in. We need to find the number of goldfish in each bowl. So the E is what we need to find. And we need to divide. That is why you see these symbols over here. To find groups, you divide. To find each, you divide. And to find the total, you multiply. To make our picture model, we're going to go ahead and draw 9 squares. We're also going to write our equation. 45 divided by 9 equals. To solve this problem, I will be using a multiplication chart. So we have 45 divided by 9. We first locate 9, our divisor. We find 45 and we slide up. So our answer is 5. 45 divided by 9 equals 5. There are 5 fish in each bowl. Let's go ahead and fill in our each. You could go ahead and draw 5 objects in each square. I went ahead and drew stars. Our answer is there are 5 fish in each bowl. Example number 2. Mrs. Munir buys 4 orders of samosas. There are a total of 20 samosas. How many samosas are in each order? A samosa is a pastry that's filled with potatoes and peas. Some people also add chicken and a whole bunch of other stuff. But in this case, she's having the potato samosa. Let's go ahead and solve the problem using a problem-solving model. My answer stem is there are blank samosas in each order. Our facts are there are 4 orders, which is the groups. There's a total of 20 samosas, which is the total. And we are looking for the number of samosas in each order. For our picture model, groups is the 4 orders. Each is how many samosas? And the total is 20 samosas. We will go ahead and divide. We're first going to draw 4 squares, which tells us our 4 orders. Equation and solve work. We're going to go ahead and write 20 divided by 4.
How is this video? You are getting the point? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Or I have
Yes,
to
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I have to share another video. दूसरी वीडियो चलानी है या फिर यही ठीक है?
यही ठीक है.
Okay.
Total of 20 samosas divided by the 4 orders. We will go ahead and use a multiplication card to solve. First, locate the 4. Then you're going to slide over to 20. And then just look at the top and your answer is 5. There are 5 samosas in each order. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. And go ahead and fill in your picture model with 5 objects in each square. Let's try another example. Example number 3. Mrs. Munir spends a total of 15 days visiting national parks. She spends 3 days at each park. How many national parks does she visit? Let's go ahead and make our problem-solving model. Our answer stem is Mrs. Munir visits blank national parks. The important information is there's a total of 15 days and it's 3 days at each park. So we are looking for the number of parks, which is the groups. If you notice on our picture model, we cannot draw the groups because we don't know how many groups. But let's go ahead and solve the equation first, which is 15 divided by 3. To solve the equation, we will go ahead and use our multiplication card. We're going to first locate the divisor 3, slide over to the 15, and then just look up, and we see our answer, which is 5. Mrs. Munir visits 5 national parks. So now you could go ahead and fill in your picture model. Draw your 5 squares, fill in 3